To buy one with a pussy magnet?
He means a car that women will like.
Yes, but where you keep this magnet?
No, there's no magnet. No, he means the vehicle. Women love the Hummers.
Do this have a pussy magnet?
No. The vehicle itself will be a magnet.
A man yesterday told me if I buy a car, I must buy one with a pussy magnet.
He means a car that women will like.
Yes, but where you keep this magnet?
No, there's no magnet. No, he means the vehicle. Women love the Hummers.
Do this have a pussy magnet?
No. The vehicle itself will be a magnet.
A man...
Car in the beginning of it. How's your Bugatti?
After looking at a couple of cars, I've decided that I'm going to go with a JDM importer here in Hawaii. And I found one, and it gives you ultimate peace of mind. And if you're on a different island than Oahu, it also helps because they will register the car and ship it right to your door. So stay tuned in the video to learn how all that goes. And right now we're going to have a test drive by the first person that shows up. And here we go. Well, today it's 21 days of sobriety and day 5 of COVID, and I feel like I'm fully recovered. This thing right here may find a home. Kind of scary and sad at the same time, but as you can see, I don't know how to get that thing out of here. I gotta move some cars. Holy moly, I gotta move some cars. So we're gonna open the gate, put you on time lapse. Well, Rembrandt Bugatti is finding a home, and this lovely woman is going to take on the project. What's your name, dear? Megan. Megan is interested in welding and all kinds of stuff. The welder's right there. You can come back for an afternoon and get oh, you're on what side do you live on? Okay, my friend lives in Ohana that I do projects with, and he's a master welder. He has everything, and we'll give you a little tutorial. Oh, you got it. No problem. No problem. No, that'll be fun. Anyway, stay tuned for videos on our scary test drive. And you know what? The exciting things coming to the channel now. We're buying a car from Japan, a JDM vehicle. And it's not like a JDM vehicle that you're used to seeing. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be talking to you later. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So yeah, JDM Hawaii is going to check out my Mini for me, and they got a guy over there, and he'll make sure the AC works and the car is running great, and just gives you an extra sense of security, when you're buying something expensive, and it's in a country where you don't speak the language, and they handle everything. And I'm telling you, JDM Hawaii is. Now let's have a look at that car. And now what you came for. Yes, here it is, my JDM Mini. It is a left-hand drive car, and it's totally been given a JDM makeover, which is perfect for ordering a car from Japan. Anyway, stay tuned for more videos on this. I still need to sell the Bugatti, but I have a lot of time because it takes a while to get a car from Japan. So Here's a clip of me welding the new suicidal skate bench. Yeah, this thing is beautiful. It came out great.
I don't have a good angle. I think that looks good, but...
Okay. That sounded better. Sizzling bacon.
I get it now. You know, your welder's a little different than mine. Yeah.
All right, here's the final product in the gallery. Suicidal skate bench. Possessed to skate was the inspiration. And I was quite a skateboarder when I was young, and my first job out of high school was silkscreening Santa Cruz skateboards, so that's where I got the inspiration. Stay tuned for Edie Burkell's bench, too. Wait till you see that one.
Gonna leave you with the Santa Cruz bench finished. The nice Suicidal Tendencies board, Possessed to Skate, is the theme of the skate bench. So if you like the content, please hit the like, subscribe, and if you want to import a card and you live here in Hawaii, JDM Hawaii will really help you out, and they help me out. Links in the description. Please leave a like and comment. You know that's how the algorithms get stimulated, and I get to keep making videos. So mahalo for your kakua, and stay safe out there. Wear a mask.
Some more of my fabulous automobile-related pieces here to close out the video. And remember, if you're looking for something special, go shopping on the JDM sites. If you see something, call your boys at JDM Hawaii, and they will take care of you. Yeah, this has been my favorite little piece. 6-cylinder 458 engine block table. Yeah, it looked amazing in the gallery. It lasted for literally one day, and it sold. Yeah, glows red right out the cylinders. Such a badass piece. Anyway, I'm looking forward to getting my Mini, and I'm just going to keep making YouTube videos and counting the days till it shows up. And anyway, more on that subject soon.
Happy. You know, the glass is half full.
Take it, girl. Take it, girl.
We can't give you a hard time about a happy. That's a respectable shot. Yeah.
Yummy.
You've been pimped. It's Sunday, and we get a little evil out here on Sunday. We got lots of stuff. This is my newest.
It's so beautiful.
My newest contraption. I call it the whiskey